Welcome back to my channel, guys. I've been getting a lot of requests on how to get a perfect score in Moodle. Best answer would be to, of course, study, but do not draw conclusions from the beginning and watch the video till the end to see how to get an alternative advantage. Also, do watch my videos on brain games and mind workout to improve your memory, attention, speed, and focus. Okay, so, more often than not, you must have seen these 5 best Moodle Chrome extensions. They even assure all correct answers automatically for your test, be it objective or subjective answers. In this manner, through AI, seems simple, but while attempting to download the extension, you might face this problem. So, what do you do?
Please do subscribe, like, share and comment your opinion. Thank you.
There is a plugin section of Moodle where if you log in and proceed to, you'll find a download option for the quiz offline through various versions. As you do that, it'll be saved in your device. Here, if you open the quiz.php file, scroll down, you can see this part of the code invokes the questions. And as you select the answer from options, maybe radio buttons, the user answers file is in turn invoked. Right here, if you see. Now, as you select, a state is changed for the element with a specific value, or in terms of true or false. If the dynamic element data can be seen right after your choice, it could be of your help to compare between options, since only one will hold a different state from rest of the incorrect options. The offline data can thereafter be synced online. Still, I would say, the best way is always to study. Do share, like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Have a great day.